वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल एंड आज हम देखेंगे एक और फास्ट और क्विक अप्रोच रिगार्डिंग द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ और यू कैन से अबाउट द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ व्यू when which we see from which side then what actually appears. So if we see this object from this, then you can say this is the front view. So here I put the dimension. So this is your xy line, sorry, xy line, not xy line, this is your direction. So this is a perpendicular of this length. So here this is a direction of x. So remember, this shows the front view. That means any observer see this object from here. So this is your front view. This is your front view. Remember, ये आपका front view है. And what appears from the front view? So we know here a height and length. So this is length. This line representing, this dimension line representing the length. So all the lines parallel to it are length. So this line, this line, this line, this line, and also here this line, this line, this line. So it is a length. So total length is 62 mm. Okay, and height is, what about height? So height, that means this line, the line which is vertically upward. So here the direction this. So total length, and here you miss, this is 6. This is 6. That means the length of this is 6. So height is 42. This is your front view direction complete. Now we can talk about the side view, and which we seen from here. So this is your side view and left hand side view. So here we use the third angle projection method. Remember, third angle projection method. So front view lies below the top view and side view. When we see this view from the left hand side, यदि हम इसको left hand side से देख रहे हैं, so the dimension, the view is always drawn to the left of the front view. So here your side view is this, and if we see this object from right, then the right hand side view is drawn to the right of the front view. So clear, and no confusion regarding the first and third. In first angle projection method, front view goes upward, top view downward, but just here front view is here, top view is here, and if we see the object from left, then it is drawn to the right of the front view. So left hand side view comes to the right of the left hand side view, and if you see the object from here, then it is comes to the left of the front view. So this is your right hand side view. So this is the case of the third and first angle projection method. This is your first. So here this is a complete overview about first and third angle. So here left hand side view, and we can go the solution according to the third angle projection method. So here left hand side view, what seen from here? Here you see height and width. Height and width. So height is, remember, this is again 42, and what about the width? So you can clearly see that object 50 mm is this height. So width. So all the width are parallel to this line. So these है ना, and we can forgetting to discuss, to talk about this 9 mm of two straps. These are 9 mm. So ye and this is also seen from the front view. So this is also included, and here is 16. So complete discussion is completed here, and let's start to discuss according to top view. So here this is your top view, and what seen from this top view? Width and length. So length is complete 62, and what about width? Width is this, so 50. This. So what appears on this object on the particular view? So we just talk about the front view. So what appears in the front view? So front view looks like this. From here you draw 62 mm and divide it into 22, and in middle this is 18, and the height is the initial height is 16, so you can draw it, and the total height is 42, so you 42 draw first, and from 42 you extend this line, extend this line in a line in 16 from backward, 16 from forward, and from here there are two strips of 9 mm, so which are already seen from the front view. So this is your complete front view object of the front view. And what about the side view? So let's see. And this color represents your side view. So come here, 42, you draw 42, then from 42 you just draw forward about 20 mm line and make it, join it. From before joining it, we draw a straight line of about 16 mm and draw this line joining here and here about 16 mm, and from here again 16 mm, and the height is 6 mm, and totally you join this. So total we can say, I say just total this color representing this side view, and remaining representing your top view. So here one dimension is left, that is this. So here we extend this line, and this is about 9 mm, so here from the center we draw a 9 mm line parallel to this and join this. So all are clear when we draw the all three types of view here using third angle projection method. So let's start to draw this. So you can see here we start. So firstly we put the actual view where exists. So clear, according to third angle projection method, this is your front view. So front view comes either here or here. So before putting the front view, we just talk about the left hand side view, and according to third angle projection, left hand side view is drawn to the left of the front view. So clear, these views are always below the line, so always draw here. So left hand side view is here. So the dimension of left hand side view is putting here. Left hand side view in the dimension is clear. Height and the width. Height is 42 and width is 50. So the dimension is clear, and this represents your front view, and the front view dimension are you seen from here. This height and the length. Length is 62 and the height is 42. And the rule say of the third angle projection, the front top view is draw just above the top front view. So here this representing the top view, because length and length is same. So length is 62 and what the next width. So width is 50. So this is all the dimensions. Okay. चलिए start करेंगे फिर से. Let's start to draw the front view. So here we start from here, and what's in? Firstly we draw this 62 mm line. So here the line of 62 mm is this is 62. And what about the height? We use the box method. So the height is 42. So from here we draw 42 mm line below, and complete here again 62 and join this line. So here this is the overlay, this is the outline of this front view. So now we start the dimension. So here 22 and 18. So 22 from here, again 22 from here, and the remaining is 18. So this is 18, and now the height is 16. So firstly we take the height 16. So here this is 16. So using dark line, 16, this, and you seen this 22 line division goes upward, it is also, so this is your this and this, clear? And then you can easily see these two 9 mm of strips are putting here and here, so counting 9 mm from it and 9 mm from here, dimension is 9 9. So this is your 9 mm and this is your 9 mm, and it goes upward last till end, and joining this you can make it complete. And now talk about here. So what is the dimension of it? So here I put the dimension. This is 15 mm from the center, 15, this is 15, so you can take, this is on the center of it, so here it is 16 and the remaining is 30, so this is 30 and half is 15, so marking 15 here, and from here according to the height we just mark the length of 15, so this is 15. So yeah, again first this is 16, this is 16, so totally first completed the 16 line, we just give 9 mm line, so 16 is here, 16, and again from here this is 16, so draw till 16, so here this line is take resting here. So now what we can do next, so 15 from it we draw below 15 mm, so from here first we draw the center point of 50 mm and draw below 50 mm straight, so this, and line joining these two, then it draw a complete front views, it is your complete front view, this, and you just erase the extra line, so this is your 2H pencil, and this completes the HB pencil. So here one more line, that is center line, are remaining, which we draw when we draw the side view. So let's go for the top view. So what we can say from the top view, length and width, so again we draw a box of about 62 and 50 mm. So here this is your length, so here this line represents the length, so again you just mark here, and the 50 mm line is drawn upward because this is third angle, and you draw this and joining this and like a box, clear? And remove the extra line, erase the extra line, so this line are erased. Okay, so now let's start from the here. So this is your 16 and this is your 20, so we draw, this is your 16, so 16, just this is also 16, we just tick, this is also 16, we just tick, okay? And towards the width side, this is 50, this goes from both ends 20 20, so 20 from this is width, here this goes 20 mm, okay? So start, just tick the 20 this, and then this appears, this is a solid box line when we see from the top, so this is complete line, this and this is your 16 and 20, 16 and 20, okay? And remaining is this, so from the top this not seen like this, this is always flat, so this is flat. And now from again we see these two strips are also seen, so this is 16 and also we draw 9 mm from both the ends, so clicking start marking 9 mm, so here 9 and from here again 9, yeah, you can just make the 9 mm line to extend this line on here, so is like this and this also like this, and you just complete it like this. Now this is when we see this object, this particular part, so this part goes inside of about 9 mm, so this is center, so clicking center here and mark 9 mm from it, so 9 mm is here, and this is also 22 22, so this is 22, this is 22, so clicking again 22 to extend this line here, and this is also 22, and joining this line, and you remove this not seen here because this is a gap, so you not draw. I use the marker, so this is not erased, so you are erased this line, so it is complete top view. And I just draw the side view, then I discuss the hidden lines occurred here and occurred here. So start side view, draw here. So again from here we draw, this is your width line and this is your height, because this is height. So what is the dimension? Dimension is width is 50, so here draw a box 50, and height is 42, so this is 42, this is your box. And what we seen from here, this yellow color line show all the sides, so from here we draw 42, so this is 42, so this is your 42, and this comes 20, so here we draw 20, and this is the 16 16, so marking 16 16, this is 16, and from here this is 16, and this line goes upward about 6 mm, so clear, this is your 6 mm, it is again 6 mm, and join this line, so this, and from here this line representing 16 mm, so draw upward of about 16 mm and line join this line from here, so this is your side view. So the extra portion is erased, so this was erased, and this will represent the side view. So we talk about the hidden line. So this object, this part is lies here but don't see from the front view, but still it is in this object, so we can draw the hidden lines representing it. So the hidden lines are like this, we just put the dimension complete here like this and extended this, because what we seen from here, this extra line is drawn from here, and this continuously draw dotted 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 from till the end. So start, and again this is vertical line, so first we draw this dotted line, like this of about 2 mm. Okay, we can easily see in here, this is the line of center line of 18 mm, so this also looks here, so we can just draw straight line of this like this, so it is clear. Now about the top view. So the hidden line for this top view are this. So we see this object, this line, this 16 16 and this 6 line has not appeared, so the dotted line comes parallel to it, so we draw this line like this. Here this is 20 but this is 16, so comes any here, and this is also this like this, and this totally line are dotted because we seen when top the length are completely seen, so this and like this, so two dotted lines from here 16 and from here 16, because this is your width side. So chaliye start, let's begin. So clicking 16 mm and from here again a 16 mm and draw hidden line like this and like this. Okay, so this is, and again a hidden line also comes in the side view, and which is this 9 mm. So here we draw the 9 mm. Let's see, this is your 9 mm, this is your 9 mm, and this line, these views also dotted because not seen. So from here we draw line dotted, and here we line dot draw dot line and this height 15 mm. So this was this. So start joining this, and this representing this line. You can easily see this. This is not seen from side, but it is still here. So this and this. So this is 15 mm. So just start clicking, check the appropriate proper position in parallel, and then draw dotted line. So like this, and again from 9 mm, this was this 9 mm, this. Okay. So this is clear views, all the views, and now I put the dimension here. So this is the complete views, all three views of this particular objects, and I hope guys you just really like this, and thank you for watching. And please, if you have any issue, any doubts regarding this procedure, then please you just comment me, and you just recommend any questions regarding any units. I make really logical and easy to understand, and all the procedures all discretized into the small steps. So stay tuned with me, and thank you again for watching.